My name is Kress, and I am a compressed nursing student. I found Trent to be very open and kind of like, okay, these are, how the steps you need to take to kind of get back into university education, and that really resonated with me. I love the green space, the campus, the hands-on program that the clinical that the nursing program offers. I like that. I really wanted to get that hand-on experience. So yeah, that's kind of why I chose Trent. The support came from direct communication with professors, being able to go and speak with them afterwards, after class or whatnot, and have conversations about, what nursing is like, and learning to kind of bring my own experience. I remember one preceptor said to me, a lot of your students can't say, oh, I've been there, done that, but you can. You can kind of draw from, and people will listen to you, and that's a good resource to have in nursing. Just go into it with everything you got. There's going to be hard points, but you will get through that, and don't be afraid to ask for help.